record.
Hi, Daniel. Oh, so tell us, what are you going to do? And why do you look so scared?
I'm about to go down the slalom, the deck slalom. It's like
Okay, let me see. Let me show a picture. Let me show a picture.
It's all 37 feet. You
Oh
can't
my
tell
gosh.
on the camera.
It's 37
camcorder.
feet?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so what are you about to do?
I'm about to go down on a sled. This is homemade, folks. I wouldn't try to.
Is this better than Wilmot? What would you prefer to do this instead of
oh
Wilmot?
my gosh, I'd so much rather go down like Mount Everest right now, but this is way scarier. So I don't know. I can be like Katie, be like, "Oh guys, I'm about to go. I don't think I can do it, but see, I'm gonna actually do it because I'm a man, and men are made of testosterone, and I live off the thrill.
So, when are you ever going to go, if you're so brave?
Adrenaline.
When are you going to go, huh?
The adrenaline it's in me right now.
It's in you right now. Are you thinking? So, are you ready to go?
It's running through my veins, man.
Are you so
nervous.
You look kind of scared. You don't look like. I don't think you have a lot of testosterone in you. Well, what do you think? Okay. So Daniel. So Mr. Locano.
I made it alive.
So tell me, how'd you like that? How'd you like that, Mr.
It
Locano?
was wild. I was going down, and like, there was like all the snow running past me, and I was like, whoa, and then he was like, whoa, and then I heard my little finger, I was like, "Argh, argh," and it ripped off, it's blood everywhere, and then I sewed it back on, just in time when I got back up, you didn't even notice, and look, you can't even tell, get the suture job I did.
Oh, wow.
So you don't call me Dr. Dan for nothing.
Wow, I'm glad you had a great experience at the National Homemade Sled competition.
Yeah.
And you got 6th place. This is awesome.
Goodbye, Mom.
Goodbye.